Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into two popular code editors, VS Code and Notepad++. They're both used by tons of programmers, but they each have their own strengths and weaknesses. We're going to break down the specs, look at performance, and help you decide which one suits your workflow best. Alright, first up is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. One of the biggest things that sets VS Code apart is its massive library of extensions. It's like having a direct line to adding superpowers to your editor. Need a new theme? Done. Want some crazy integration with a specific language or framework? VS Code probably has an extension for that. This level of customization is a game changer, and it's a big part of why VS Code is so popular. But it's not just about the extensions. VS Code also has a built-in terminal, which is just straight up convenient. No more switching back and forth between windows or dealing with clunky integrations. With VS Code, it's right there, ready to go whenever you need to run a command or test some code. And speaking of code, let's talk about language support. VS Code plays nicely with basically every programming language under the sun. Whether you're writing Python, JavaScript, C++, or something completely different, VS Code has got you covered. And, of course, we've got to talk about IntelliSense. This intelligent code completion feature is like having a superpowered coding buddy looking over your shoulder, making suggestions and helping you write code faster and with fewer errors. It's a huge time saver, and it's one of those features that you really start to appreciate the more you use it. One downside is that it can be a bit of a resource hog. If you're working on a less powerful machine or have many applications open, you might notice some slowdowns. Next up, we're checking out Notepad++. Compared to VS Code, Notepad++ might seem minimal. It doesn't have the massive extension library or the built-in terminal, but that's actually the point. Notepad++ is all about speed and simplicity. It's lightweight, launches instantly, and is incredibly responsive even on older hardware. That makes it a great choice if you're just starting out with coding or need a quick and easy way to edit text files without any fuss. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Notepad++ is still a powerful code editor with a surprising number of features. It has excellent syntax highlighting for a wide range of programming languages. Notepad++ also has a solid set of keyboard shortcuts that can speed up your workflow, and if you like to customize things, Notepad++ has options for tweaking the interface and behavior. Another area where Notepad++ shines is in its portability. Since it's lightweight, you can easily install it on a USB drive and take it with you wherever you go. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your specific needs and preferences. VS Code is like the Swiss Army knife of code editors. Powerful, versatile, and can do pretty much anything. Notepad++ is more like a trusty pocket knife. Lightweight, reliable, and always there when you need it. Let us know in the comments which editor you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons.